Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to view unread emails in Gmail Primary. So to do this process, first thing that you will do is of course you could just simply go to google.com, and once you are here on the Google, just simply go ahead and make sure you are signed in into an account, and you can just simply go ahead and go for the Gmail over here on the top right corner. And now once you are here on your email, to prioritize the unread emails, there is a feature on the Google. So to do this, you can just simply go ahead and select the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen in order for you to proceed with this process. And now, once you have done this, as you can see, you should be able to see here a bunch of options, and you should be able to see a category inbox type. So here, as you can see, we will have an option like default, important first, unread first, and the others down below. So to do this video, I'm going to go for unread first. So once you have done that, automatically all of your unread emails will be on top from the very present moment up to the last time or last email that you haven't read. So pretty much you can utilize this inbox type category and filter out the unread emails first. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.